Hello friends, myself Ishika Sunil Nandgaonkar. My topic is polarization of light. Polarization of light. Introduction. Light as a transverse electromagnetic wave. Importance of polarization of light. Linearly polarized light. Natural light. A linear polarizer and Moore's law. Definition of polarization of light. Polarized wave are light wave in which the vibration occur in a single plane. Plane polarized line consists of waves in which the direction of vibration in the same of all waves. The process of transforming unpolarized light into the polarized light is known as polarization. Type of polarization of light. Following are the three types of polarization depending on the transverse and longitudinal wave motion. First, linear polarization. Second, circular polarization. Third, elliptical polarization. Linear polarization of light. In linear polarization, the electric field of light is limited to a single plane along the direction of propagation. Circular polarization of light. There are two linear components in the electric field of light that are perpendicular to each other such that their amplitudes are equal, but the phase difference is pi 2. The propagation of the occurring electric field will be in a circular motion. Elliptical polarization of light. The electric field of light follow as elliptical propagation. The amplitude and phase difference between the two linear components are not equal. Construction of polarization of light. Doubly refracting crystals split the incident unpolarized light passing through them into O light and E light, which are plane polarized in mutually perpendicular planes. The linears of the crystal were mounted between two glass stilts for protection. This acts as a sheet of the polarizer and called as polarized. Working of polarization of light. Polarization also occurs when light is scattered while traveling through a medium. When light sticks the atoms of material, it will often set the electrons of those atoms into vibration. The vibrating electrons then produce their own electromagnetic wave that is radiated outward in all directions. Thank you.